everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So if you guys have already subscribed to my page, you guys know how much I love making the empties video and telling you guys what I love and what I do not like. So let's begin. So the first product I have here is from Bath and Body Works, the Stress Relief Aromatherapy. So this is a body cream. It's completely empty. This one smells so good. It's called the Stress Relief because of the smell. It basically is something you can apply after you shower in the morning and night, and you will have a very relaxed mode, and also at the same time your skin is going to be replenished. It's just going to be so good. Your skin's going to be amazing. This is a very big yes for me. I love this product. The second product is from the Body Shop. This is the Drops of Youth Bouncy Sleeping Mask. This is how it looks. It's completely empty. This product is nice, but it takes its own sweet time to show results on your face. So this right now I won't be repurchasing. The next product is by Petal Fresh, the Hair Rescue. This product I picked up from the Boots Medical Store. So I had heard about the Petal Fresh long before. Like I think 2 years ago, my friend told me about Petal Fresh and I tried out their lavender shampoo and I loved it. It made my hair frizz-free, no frizz at all. And then this time when I went to Dubai, I came across this one there. Well, my dad was using the biotin shampoo and I was like, I want to try this as well. So I sampled out from my dad's products. And then I went to the store and got this one. This one's for oily hair. So this is the shampoo for oily hair. And this is the Hair Rescue. It's a thickening treatment. As you can see, I have thin straight hair, so I want my hair to get a little bit of extra zhuzh. So I use this one. It's amazing. It smells amazing. It makes your hair thicker. It's got biotin in there and it's cruelty free, guys. It's cruelty free. So if you are somebody who needs all these things and you're worried about the cruelty part on animals and stuff like that, you can go with this shampoo. This is a big yes from me. This product is available on Amazon as well. You don't have to go all the way to Boots. So I'll put all the details in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and do the shopping. So then I have my cult favorite, the Garnier Micellar Water Oil Infused. You know how much I love this, guys. I'm never gonna say a no to this one until I find something so much more affordable and better than this one. So this is a big yes, a big hit from me. It takes off all your makeup, waterproof. I wear a lot of waterproof makeup which does not come out at all, even if it's extremely hot and sweaty, humid, etc. But this one's really good. You really don't have to spend a lot of time on tugging and rubbing on your face. This one's really nice. A big yes from me. And then I'm gonna show you this one. This is my sunscreen. I love this product. This is so good. This is so good. I went to Sri Lanka and did not get tan whatsoever. This was amazing. Love this product. This is completely empty and I am surely going to buy more of this. This is 50 ml and it costs 1,590. It's a bit expensive, yes, but this product's really good. So if you're traveling and stuff like that, I would recommend you to use this product because this is really good. But if you're looking for something cheaper, then you can go on Nykaa. There's Lotus there. Those products are good as well. They are amazing as well. Okay, so the next product is the L'Oreal Professional Glycerol and Cocoa Oil. This is the shampoo I recently have been using. It's amazing, works well, smells something like jasmine. So I don't like the smell of jasmine, but after shampooing my hair, I use the conditioner of the same one, and the conditioner has a good smell, so that works out well for me. So if you don't like the smell of jasmine, then you should not be using the shampoo, but otherwise it's a really great shampoo. I love it, and this costs 635 rupees and this is 300 ml. A big yes for me again. Then I just have three more products remaining. This is the Face Delights face wash from the Nivea. So this face wash is very good for anyone with normal to dry skin because this is not going to tug your skin. You're not going to feel tight. It's a light cleanser. It's extremely lighter cleanser. It's nice It's comfortable for use, but this is not something I would recommend anybody with combination to oily skin, because you're not going to feel clean. This has extracts of honey, so you could get a little bit of bits of honey. These are not rough bits, these are soft jelly like gelatin like bits. So if you're okay with that, then you can go ahead. The smell is good and it comes for a long time as well. This one costs 165 rupees, and I think this is 100 ml. Yes, this is a 100 ml bottle. Please excuse my nail paints, I haven't got them done, so I just noticed that. And then it's the wheat hair removal cream. So if you are somebody who doesn't like shaving, so I don't mind shaving and I don't mind using hair removal creams either. Both work the same way for me and I'm totally cool with it. This one's good. I use the Silk and Fresh technology for dry skin, because I don't want something harsh on my skin, so I prefer it this way. So this is a big yes from me. It comes in longer tubes as well, so I use this one. If you guys are interested, you can use this. You can do it at home. It's so much more convenient than going to a salon, or having a salon lady come home, because you don't know where these people have been. And in this day and age with COVID around us, with all the stress, we don't want to be around people who must have been around other people with COVID or without COVID. So just to be safe, you can go with this. And ladies or gents, whoever, anybody can use this. Also, the same product is there for men's as well, so you can check that out as well. So the last product I'm going to show you in this video is by Let's Soap. This is a company based in Dubai. So I was at this mall, I think it was Festival City. So yeah, I was at Dubai Festival City, and there was the small yard sale going on down there. So I picked this up from them. It smells so good. It's completely empty. This is the raw organic shea butter, and I've been using this since a while, and I've seen such a good change. This is so good. So since this is not available here in India, I found another company called as the Organic Tattva. So they have the same product as well, so I'm going to be buying that soon. I'll be reviewing that soon, but as of now, these are all the products I have and I liked, and one I did not like. I hope you guys liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, comment, like, review, talk, tell everybody about my page. Do share my page, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm Saviona Fernandez. Thank you, and show me some love.